Kate, Deeley and Patrick Kielty split. Couple announce they have separated after 12 years of marriage. Kate and Patrick have announced they have split after 12 years of marriage. What could be the cause? A joint statement, the pair, aged 48 and 54, representatively confirmed, "We have taken the decision to end our marriage and are now separated. There is no other party involved. We will continue to be united as loving parents to our children and would therefore kindly ask for our family privacy to be respected. There will be no further comment." Kat notably didn't attend Patrick's mother Mary's funeral back in March. It was reported that she stayed home in order to support their two young children, Milo, 9, James, 7, who were suffering the loss of their grandmother. Patrick, 54, looked breathless as he carried Mary's coffin through his home village, where he was joined by close family and friends at the Church of the Cursed Heart. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment below.